Welcome to Kenny's Ford Motor. Today we're working on 2015 BMW X.3. This is 600. This vehicle coming for check engine light, and also when the vehicle get hot, is not shifting. So we scan it. Get the scan tools right here. So this is the scan tools. So we get this solenoid valve, okay, and you get this another one voltage supply. So there basically was the temperatures of the transmission, it's going high. This vehicle, it's 180,000 miles on the vehicle, so 90% sure this transmission service is not done on time. And this is the fluid. We're gonna start moving the oil pan. So this is new design transmission oil filter gasket. So you see the bolt, it's come with the whole oil pan and come with the filter, so everything built in, so nice and easy. You just fill it up from here after. This is easy job they did to make it easy for everybody. Right now you get the screws, okay, and we got the oil pan, it's brand new. So I'm gonna share this part number 2 for sorry. Okay, so here's the oil pan, gasket here, and the filter. So easy setup. Okay, so I believe this is this is the part number, and you need like a 5-6 quart transmission fluid to finish the service. Okay, so let's keep watching and until we install everything. Thank you. This is a 13 bolt for the oil pan. This is the old one. I drained here from here. So this is the drain tools. It's Allen wheel. So just want to share this with everybody. 10 millimeter. And I remove all the bolts here now. So this is my last bolt. Thank you today. I got a cameraman today, so this is so handy. So this is the old oil pan for the transmission. This is, you can take it out. I already drained it, and I'm sure there's some oil there. Look, wow. See the transmission? It's coming in one piece. It's not like old school. Old school, the filter separate, the gasket separate, and the oil pan separate. So I'm gonna ask my cameraman just follow me, so I can show you the condition of this oil in the oil pan. So this is the filter. Wow. See, it's all the metal there. So I'm sure they replaced it once maybe or never. This vehicle have 180,000 miles on the vehicle. Wow. Look. Okay, so now we're gonna replace this oil pan. We have a new oil pan. Okay, so this is the new oil pan. Okay, like you said, I cleaned this area really good. It come with the new screws. So this is, it's brand new. And I greased this. Just put some grease here and some grease in the O-rings, and that will make it easier. Now we're gonna go in all the way. Okay. Okay. I have a gun, so I'm just gonna tie it a tiny bit because there's a plastic. We don't want to over tie this.
Hold it. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna go one by one. Alright. Okay, so right now it's gonna go put all the screws in. Okay. It's easy to come with the new screws.
I got this.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
There you go.
Okay, so I just want to show you for the full. You can fill it up from here, or this is another full right here. This. So you take this out, you pump it in. You take it out. First of all, you put couple cords, and you start the vehicle. Then after this, you put more fluid. Keep watching. All right, so we're gonna fill up the transmission fluid. Like you see, this is brand new transmission oil pan in the filter. This is a drain, right? This is a drain plug, and this is full up. So to take the fuller out, 8mm Allen. Okay, it comes with a new one, and you need a pump like this. Okay, and then you fill it up. So here you go. The vehicle has to be on. When it starts dropping, that means it's full. Okay, so this is mean it's full. Look. Okay.